Hello, everyone. My name is Neil Green. I'm an associate director for the undergraduate education online operations, but first and foremost, I'm an assistant professor for the teacher prep program at National Louis University in Chicago. It's very nice to meet you. Happy to be here and continue learning with the OLC. I couldn't get Dr. Straight's emoji classroom or to quite work, so I just went back to Google Slides and some things that I had created. Um, and my second slide here, my second Team Awesome emoji. I'm really lucky to be a part of NLU, National Louis University, and a team of educators who really, everywhere you work, people say we're student focused, but we truly are, and every decision we make in our meetings as a team is driven by our student success. So that's a wonderful, wonderful place to work. And I want to learn more about gamifying learning to make our online courses better. We're good, and we've experienced extreme growth over the past year in terms of enrollment, but I really want to break away from the old school discussion board, and then assignment. We have to do that, and we're good, but we're not great, and we're getting there. And this is just one step, hopefully, in that direction. And then also, I want to learn more about gamifying education because we teach a new generation of students who expect more and deserve more, including engagement. What I mean is, my son, for example, is 8. He's in third grade, a digital native. He has, not spent a day of his life without an iPad in his hand. And I can just only imagine what happens when he gets to college. And my niece is a sophomore at Ohio State. She expects different things. So it's time for us to step up and deliver. And then 3, I really have to up my game. I still use Jeopardy Labs. I don't know if any of you are familiar with that. I love Jeopardy, but that's kind of my go-to, and I'd like to expand my repertoire of ways to gamify education. So I'm really looking forward to learning with all of you, and I think it's going to be a great week. Thank you.